Welcome to the Snake Pit.
What's up, y'all? Check this out. Got a couple of pocket knives from Daisy. These are $5 knives, just the way I like them. They're on sale off the website. I think they're regular like $9.95 or something like that. So $5 each. I figure I like the old school look, so why not get it, add it to my collection. Of course, picked these up during the Christmas holidays, but they are still $5. I just checked on their website. Let's take a look at the 2-blade pocket knife first. Now I have a part number here, 300070-000. However, up here it also has 8501, so I don't know which one is correct. See if I can open this up without cutting myself. Oh no. Dang it. Well, that's crap. So my little Daisy inlay came out, so I'll have to fix that. Stand by. Yeah, that'll hold it in place for sure. Super glue. Alright, while that one is drying, the glue's setting up, let's go ahead and take a look at the smaller one here. This is a single blade. Looks like part number 300063-000. Up here on the front we have an 8500 number. Let's see if this is going to fall out. Nope, that one's in there. Alright, looks like we have a 2 3/8 stainless steel drop point blade. Alright, you can see there, 420 stainless. It does have artificial stag grips, so these are going to be some type of plastic here. It's just made to look like stag horn. Feels pretty good in the hand. No, that I've felt, no sharp or rough spots on it itself. These are made in China. Let's see if it'll cut paper. Yeah, cuts it pretty dang good. This is a nice little size pocket knife. Does have a lock blade, so it is a lock back if that's a thing that you want. Brass liners. Centering of the blade is a little off. That's about what I expect from a $5 knife. Okay, let's look at the big brother here. Let's see. I think that's dried there, just super glued it in place. This one's 3 3/8. We have 2 blades here, both 3 3/8. So we do have a clip point blade, and then we have the spay point. Again, 420 stainless on the blades. You do have the same stag, artificial stag grip panels here. That almost looks like it's cracked right there from the rivet. I'm not feeling any rough spots, anything that would snag in the pocket as far as that goes, so that feels pretty good. Now, it being 3 3/8 is probably might prevent you from carrying it in a lot of states, and It does have the brass liners as well. It's not a lockback, so if you need a locking feature on your knife or you prefer one, this isn't going to be it for you. It's pretty, I mean, I wish it was exactly 3 inches or a little bit under on the blade size, but you know what? You could do some whittling with this maybe. Let's see how it cuts the paper. Just fine, just fine. So there we go. A couple of $5 knives from Daisy. Let's add them to the collection. Let's roll out the collection. Okay. Roll them out. So a lot of you probably seen this little collection, and most of them are budget knives, some of them vary in qualities and stuff like that. But let's add these. I think I am going to put them up here more to the top here. And what I think I'm going to do is relocate this one since it's an older knife. I'm going to put it with my other older knife over here. And I'll have to redo my little... I've got a spreadsheet typed up with all of these knives on there. What they are and such. I don't know if I was putting prices on there. It'd be kind of handy to know how much I paid for all this, so I might try to add that back in, or add it in. There we go. I tell you what, while this is open, I think I'm going to throw my Swiss in here. This is the thing, you get the longer knives and you kind of run out of room down in the middle. Got this Victorinox from ebomey. Go check out his channel. He's doing a fundraiser to help out veterans, and it's pretty cool because it's a, you know, it's more like a raffle type thing. So you have a chance at a pretty cool prize. Go over there and look at it, and tell them the Real Code Burnout sent you if you're subbing. If you want to just support that veteran fundraiser he's doing, it's for hashtag Justin's Final Mission. He's got all the details. I'll leave that link in the description down below. Whoosh. Roll them back up. Kind of open this the opposite way that I normally do. These little bags are pretty handy dandy. Boom.